begin with that breaking story. Dozens hurt overnight at a major fireworks show.
Thousands of people were watching the professional display in the LA suburb of Simi Valley when something went wrong. The mood at the July 4th celebration turned from joy to chaotic in a split second.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah. Oh my God! Whoa!
A number of fireworks shells exploding just feet from the ground. The loud blast sending terrified people running for safety as many dodged flying debris.
A block of wood about this big came shooting down and it hit the side of my leg.
We had bits and pieces of fireworks coming at us. A big round cylinder block hit the person sitting next to me.
Emergency medical crews rushed to the scene, treating nearly 30 people, some victims suffering shrapnel wounds, most suffering minor to moderate injuries as pieces of the fireworks rained down. As many as 10,000 people were at the show. The malfunction happened just 2 minutes into the show. Investigators are on the scene overnight, now working to find the cause. Now, the platform holding those fireworks seems to have collapsed, sending those shells into the crowd. We'll have more on the story later on Good Morning America.
Did they blow up all the fireworks on the bottom already? Yeah, they are. Looks like they're running for life right now. But that was last year. That one just went over the house. That's it. Goodbye. Wow. That was the finale.
Are you kidding though?
They blew it off early.
That was a good
With the Basher in San Diego, they all went in up. The ones that say
There's a intro. That's why we said, oh, I can't skip them down.
That's it.
Stop, we hyped up here for this. Wait so we can hear the echo.
A fireworks display in California has gone horribly wrong after rockets flew into a crowd, leaving 28 people injured. Thousands of people gathered in a park in Simi Valley to watch the Independence Day celebrations when the fireworks landed in the crowd. Those hit were aged between 8 and 78 and suffered shrapnel and projectile wounds. 20 people were taken to hospitals, with 4 seriously injured. It's believed one of the fireworks at the launching station fell over after another firework was ignited, sending others into the crowd. An investigation is ongoing, but police have said the incident was an accident.